I'll just get on with some work filming because I need to do the strimmer. And look who's here. Bear is taking centre stage. I literally come in this room like 2 minutes ago and set myself up, left to get the camera, came back, popped the camera on, looked through the lens, turned the camera on, looked through the lens. My cat's there. I'm guessing not even animals want to be outside today. It's 40 in the shade. So hello YouTubers. This afternoon I'm bringing you my strimmer because I need to change from the metal blade to the plastic blades because it's that time of year. And in Spain we can't be using the metal blades when it's this time of year. It is a roasting out there. But so today we have workshop cat who is Bear. There she is. She's asleep on the workbench. Now, alright, that's my strimmer, so I can't really show you much about that because not much is happening with that. But that's the bottom part of the strimmer. What we want to do is take a look at the head of the strimmer. Bear's gone. So we take a look at the head of the strimmer. I need to change the metal blade, and it's really quite easy. Might not have done it before. There is 2 little holes. There's one there. Literally put the screwdriver in there, and there's another hole just behind it. That's it. Yeah, let's line that up first. I'll line it up first. Put the screwdriver in. So there is a hole behind that hole. There is a hole. So line it up. Then we tie it on the nut. Direction. I'm actually going to do it this way around. I'm not left-handed or right-handed. So again, put the screwdriver in there just to hold it in position. Lock it off. Change the nut. Not very tight anyway, was it? Not very tight. Just take the says that, doing it all arse about face. The blade off because this time of year in Spain we can't be using a metal blade. I'm going to be going down to the meadow where I've got not today. There's not a cat's hope in hell of me going down there today because like I said it's already 40 in the shade. Take that off, take that off. So we've done that. What we do is then we replace. We've got some gubbins in here. Give it a bit of clean out. I can use a screwdriver for that. Just get in there. Right, I'll bring not a nude. I'm bringing a new feature to my show. I'm going to be doing some tools. So at the end of every program, I'm going to give you advert really. Okay, it helps me keep my little channel running, but I'm going to be doing some tool adverts at the end. I'm going to put them at the end of every programme, so if you don't want to watch them, you don't have to, because I know it can be frustrating. But at the end of every show, there'll be a little tool advert, and I'll tell you what I actually think of it. And the tools are all from Temu. Whether you love Temu or hate Temu, I'm going to be doing some independent tool testing for them. And the links will be below of what the tools are. If I don't think they're a good tool, I won't put the link below. So some of them you won't. I'll do the test, but there won't be the link to buy it. But the ones that are good, I will put the link, and you'll be able to purchase it through Temu. All right, okay. So we need to pop that on. Right, it's certainly hot today. Anyway, let's show you this. All we can do is you don't need to put the spacer on. Do not put the spacer on. Put this straight onto there. You can hold it with the screwdriver through the hole and through the second hole. Do not put the spacer on. That part on. The nut on. Like I said before, the nut actually. Okay, so try again. Let's hope the camera stays on. Right, screwdriver through the first hole, through the second hole, securing the base. Do not put the spacer on. Pop that part on. Pop the nut on, which is a left-hand thread. So we go the other way. Try and use my right hand to do it. So we're threading anti-clockwise. Let's get going. Oh, it's so difficult now. Get it in a minute. So anti-clockwise. Oh, fiddly. A minute, bloody hell. What a nightmare. It's not a nightmare. It's just because it's incredibly hot. I'm going to try again. Oh my god. I'm going to do it round this way. Do it round this way. Right, so all you do, put the screwdriver in, through the hole, pop that on, leave the spacer out, and we are going anti-clockwise. Right, eventually we did do it. And then out with the socket to tighten it up. Out with the socket. Tighten it up. That secures that on there, and then we've got the plastic. That's secured. Take the screwdriver out. We've got the plastic blade, and that literally just goes into there, which again is a left-hand thread. So left-hand thread. We've got the plastic blades on. Hold that there, secure it, and there is an Allen key bolt here just to tighten it up. So that's undone. That tightens it up. And that's that job done, except for putting this back on to the strimmer. So I'm going to be out there in the morning. I'm going to have to get up bright and early because it is now about 42 in the shade and it's only 1:45 in the afternoon. So up bright and early. I think it's going to be a 6 AM job to get the strimming done. There we go. Oh, strimmer is ready. I said took this muck out of it, taken the metal blade off, and literally just got to pop it back. This comes out of here. Fell on the floor earlier. Pop that back in there. Pop that to one side for the winter time. It's back with the strimmer. I fully intend to be using this tomorrow. Whether it's hot or cold, indifferent, I'm going to be out there. Now there's a little clip there. There. I'm like all action girl, all action hero. Pop that in, click that in position, go click in, and tighten up on here. Right, ready for tomorrow. untime it because that needs to go round that way. Tie it up. There's my strimmer, changed over for the summer. I'm going to be out there with the strimming action tomorrow morning. Might hit it about 6 o'clock in the morning because it is roasty toasty. So, like I said, there is going to be tool time Debbie at the end of each video. I'm excited about that. You probably don't want to see tool time Debbie at the end of each video, but whether you like it or not, it's going to happen. I'm going to be doing that. Okay. Oh, shall I start tool time with Debbie now? Look at these. Look at these lovelies. These was off Temu. Everything's going to be off Temu, and until I get some sponsorship, it'll all be off Temu. Right, we have a little screwdriver with the adapters. You can use it like that. You can put, so we've got an adapter in it. You can extend the adapter. I don't really know what I've got that for. Oh, it's for, look, it's for cleaning out your mobile phone, isn't it? That's for like re-pinning your mobile phone. That's obviously so you don't lose it. You get a set of tweezers, always very handy. These are just for prising things apart. There's 3 of those of different types. Put them back in so you don't lose all the bits. It's nice that it comes in a nice little plastic case because that side shuts. And this side, I'm really happy about was this side because I work on a lot of electronics, and over the years I've lost a lot of tools, left them in places. This little kit, which was less than €9, and that's with delivery because the delivery's free on Temu. You've got some, I don't really know what they are, but they look like some sort of spacers. Anyone knows what they are, they can tell me. So I can't see any purpose for those. But you've got all these amazing sockets. You've got screwdriver bits. Oh, this is the flexi extension, look. That's the flexi extension. That one, I haven't had to use that yet. You've got a flexible extension. You've got all the little sockets here. So you've got the normal screwdriver heads. You've got the posi drives. You've got the star heads. They all go in there as well. Any of you do electronics, you'll know that just everything is everywhere. All different types. You've got the little socket heads, all the sides, literally just like a triangle. So they all fit into the one tool, and you've got the flexi head. I'm going to bring this up to the front so you can see. You see that? Literally already I've used dozens and dozens of these heads in my electronic projects. All sized up, all in one handy case. Close it up. Take it with you. Or in my case, close it up, put it all back in there. Don't leave it scattered all around the workshop so I can't find the bits. There we go, I've got all my bits together. Less than €9. Less than €9 on Temu. This one gets the Debbie thumbs up. Right, what else have I got? Oh, I'm going to show you.